guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up and for today's video I have my Instagram followers control my life for a day, control my day in a life, whatever you want to call it. So yes, I did end up putting some stories and some polls on my Instagram the other day. Let's see what our followers have decided for us. So the first poll that I posted was about what should I do, workout or yoga. So this is the result and you guys chose workout, which I'm so happy about because I don't like doing yoga. Like, it is such a slow process. Like, I get bored aise. So yoga is just not for me. We will do workout and I'll first clean my room, then we'll proceed to workout. And yes, I will also show you my outfit, which I'm always so excited about. Bye. So this is the situation right now. Not that bad, but not that good either. So we're going to clean first, and yeah, 1 2 3. Oh, we are done with cleaning. This is how the room looks now. Also changed into my workout clothes. This is what my outfit looks like. These leggings from Adidas, this sports bra from Jockey, and I'll be wearing shoes. And yeah. Alright, now I'm going to do some workout. I don't know, like, I'm not comfortable enough to record that because I know my forms are not right, but whatever it is. So I'll do that and come back to you guys. Then we'll see what the next poll is about. We'll do that. Alright, I'm done with my workout. I did take a short break. मैं लेट गई थी because I was so tired and so sweaty. But now that I'm alright, it's time for me to take a shower and I need to decide what clothes I'm going to wear. So let's see what our followers have decided what they want me to wear. I just checked the polls and you guys chose casual or western. I'm so happy about it. Not that I don't like wearing ethnic, but today I'm not in a mood. Also, I'm very comfortable in casuals. Ethnic के साथ और 10 ड्रामे होते हैं. So yes, I am so happy. I will pick out 2 outfits and then my followers will again decide what I will wear. I'm so excited. So I'm done selecting 2 outfits. Here I have both of them. So I'll show you guys. I'll put a poll on Instagram, then take a shower. उसके बाद देखते हैं poll से क्या result होंगे, and then we'll wear whatever our followers decide. So yes, let me show you the outfits first. These are the 2 outfits that I've chosen. A lavender tube top with a lavender pant. Then we have brown pants over here and this yellow tank top, or spaghetti top for that. And yeah, this is a spaghetti top. So yes, these are the 2 outfits, and let's put a poll. Let's see what our followers decide, and then we'll wear that. Okay, so polls मैंने डाल दिए हैं and now I'll go take a shower. Then we'll see the results. उसके बाद we'll see what to eat and drink, and yes. Alright, I'm done taking a shower and it's been an hour or so that I've uploaded that story outfit wala. So I think we're going to wait for a while, and abhi I am going to go and make some coffee because I asked this poll on my Instagram and what should I have. So you guys decided cold coffee and I'm so happy because I love cold coffee. So yes, let's go and make cold coffee and then we will see outfit wale poll ke results. Alright, मैंने कॉफ़ी पी लिया है. Now it's time for us to see के results क्या है outfits के. I just checked and the lavender outfit won. You guys can see. So I'll be wearing this tube top, this lavender tube top, and then this lavender pants or whatever it is. So yes, I'll change and come back. Then we'll see what kind of makeup we want and for what are we shooting. So yeah. Also it is like 3:30 right now and I know बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो चुका है हर चीज़ में. I don't know why. हर चीज़ बहुत डिले हो जाती है जब मैं शूट कर रही होती हूँ. नॉर्मली ये सब काम मैं कर लेती हूँ 12 बजे तक, ठीक है. बट आज पता नहीं क्या हुआ, शूट करते टाइम हमेशा मेरा काम डीले होता है. सो आई नो यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि इसका क्या स्केड्यूल है ये, बट गाइज ट्रस्ट मी, ये मेरा स्केड्यूल नहीं है. But anyways, that being said, let me just go and change, and then we'll see what kind of a shoot, what kind of makeup we want to do. And yeah, I changed into my outfit. This is what it looks like, the lavender outfit one, and I am kind of happy because I wanted to wear this for so long. Like I wanted both of these things to wear ek saath. So yes, today is the day, I guess. Moving on to our accessories, I will again put up a poll on my stories and let's see which accessory wins. So let me show you the options that I have. Okay, first one, I have this beaded necklace, this beaded floral multicolored necklace. Also, I don't know why I'm inclining towards beaded jewelry a lot. Like I don't know what it is, it looks so beautiful and you know, a lot of colors. So this one. Then we have this very long chain that Harman made for her mask. Okay, so you guys must have seen this trending on Instagram, that people put chains over their mask like this, so that when they take it out, the mask can hang over here. But I guess we can also wear this as a necklace, like a double layered necklace. Alright, so accessories wala poll to I've uploaded on my story. I've asked them to pick between these two things and we'll wait for a while. Until then we will do our makeup. Okay, so I also asked about my makeup if they wanted glam or nude, and you guys chose nude, which I'm really happy about because I don't feel like putting on too much makeup. Or nude mein I don't put zyada makeup. I just put concealer and you know, lipstick, eyeliner. So wo uska ho gaya. So I'm really happy about that. And let's get started. Should I put on some lenses? Because I think I should. Like I hate putting on lenses, but then dikhai dena is very important, you know. Alright, I'm done with my makeup too, and this is how it's looking. Let me get you guys here so you guys can see my makeup. It's very natural. I haven't done anything about my marks, acne marks to be very precise. So yes, it's very nude, but I've added a pop of color with this lavender eyeliner, and I think it's looking really nice. I think it will count in nude makeup. You guys tell me, you guys let me know in the comment section below. And I think it's looking really nice with my lavender outfit. And also now it's time for us to see the results of our accessories. I just saw them and you guys, you won't believe it's 50-50 right now. So I think we're going to wait for a while and we'll see what the results are. And until then, I don't know what to do about my hair. I think it's looking nice. Yeah, I think it's looking decent. Now I don't want to do anything about my hair, like heating it up, ऐसे straightening या फिर curling कुछ भी. I think it's looking nice ऐसे ही. So yeah, we'll leave that as it is and we'll wait for accessories वाला result, and I'll meet you after like maybe 15 to 20 minutes only. We don't have much time because the sun will set and we also have to shoot. So yeah, 15 to 20 minutes और उसके बाद देखते हैं कि एक्सेसरीज का क्या रिजल्ट आता है. रियली विश ये वाला जीत जाए बिकॉज इसमें आई विल हैव टू अटैच इसका एक जगह का लॉक. सो या आई रियली विश इसका हो जाए बिकॉज आई एम सो लेजी टू डू दिस. एंड या मैं करती हूँ बाद में आपको अपडेट इसके साथ. Hi guys, so checking in after 10 minutes. Like what do I do? I'm sitting ऐसे खाली, मुझसे इतना वेट नहीं हो रहा. So after 10 minutes and I just checked, it's 56% for this one and I'm so happy because as I told you, इसका मुझसे हो नहीं पाता अभी क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. And this is how it's looking. You guys, I really like it. I really like this whole look, like the outfit and the accessories and the makeup is just going so fine together. Let me show you the whole outfit ek bar aur. Okay, so this is the whole outfit. I really like how it looks. very monochromatic, and I don't usually wear looks like this, so I am really liking it. Also, this necklace is just so beautiful, you guys. And yeah, never changing my slippers. So yeah. Okay, now that I'm ready, I have to shoot. So I asked on my Instagram again, what should I shoot for, like Instagram or YouTube? And these are the result. You guys chose Instagram, and I'm kind of happy because YouTube के लिए I do plan my days accordingly. Like वो फिर मैं सुबह सुबह shoot करती हूँ because I do need a lot of sunlight. Okay, so I'm done filming. It's 6 right now, and now I need to make something like to eat, obviously. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा late हो चुका है. So I asked on my Instagram what should I make, poha or chila, and you guys said poha. So I'm really glad about that as well because I don't really like chila. So yes, I'm going to make some poha right now and we'll eat, then take off this makeup, and like I'll chill for a while and see you, I don't know kab. Hi guys, so it is 8:45 right now, and खाना बनाने के बाद I changed, washed off my makeup और खाना वाना खाया. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा chill करा because I was so tired. But now I'm fine. Now I'm energetic. I know I don't look so, but I am. Like, trust me. That being said, now I'm going to work for Blinging Magic. I have to complete one order because I have to ship it tomorrow. So I'm going to do that. Also, I've asked this on my Instagram. You guys can see here. So I've asked this one question on Instagram. Again, this probably will be the last question. So I've asked what should I make, like a pink or red cherry necklace or a blue or white phone charm. So I've put it abhi hi, so we will wait for a while. तब तक I will complete the order that I'm talking about. उसके बाद we'll see क्या results होंगे, जो भी होंगे we'll make that. I'm kind of hoping कि वो blue वाला जीते, blue and white phone charm, because I do have a charm that is so pretty. I made it myself. It's like an evil eye, so I really want to use that. बट देखते हैं जो भी होगा. एंड या अभी आई विल वर्क फॉर दैट ऑर्डर, एंड जब मैं वो वाला चार्म बनाऊंगी या फिर वो नेकलेस बनाऊंगी, आई विल शो यू हाउ आई मेक इट. बाय. Hi guys, so it's 12:05. You guys can see, I know बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो चुका है, but never mind. Also I just saw the results, वो accessory वाला, तो blue and white phone charm one. I'm so happy. आज के सारे polls मेरे ही फेवर में थे. I've seen so many videos जिसमें creators के फेवर में नहीं होते हैं polls, but today it was like a good day for me, I guess. So yeah, blue and white phone charm one, and I'm so excited. Let me show you the charm I was talking about. So this is what it is. This is a blue evil eye, and I think it looks really cute. That being said, also I'm done with the order that I was talking about. तो वो सब मैंने कर दिया है. वो पैक वगैरह रहता है करना, वो मैं कर लूँगी बाद में. First let's make this. Hi guys, so this is done and this is how it looks. Can you guys see this charm? It looks so cute. It will look so nice when attached to a phone. Like, let me do that and I'll show you guys. Wait. This is how it's looking. I really like it. Also, now that I'm done with all the work, look at the condition of my room. Like, seriously, look at it. Like, you guys, I really need to clean this up. Alright, let me do this. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, it's squeaky clean now. Done with the day. Alright, finally done with the day. It was productive as hell, like unhealthy wala, to be very honest, because it's 1:10 right now and it's too late. I woke up at 9. But that being said, I will end this video right now. Iske baad I will edit one video because I have to post tomorrow. So yes, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. I will meet you in my next video very soon. Until then, goodbye.